Walt Disney wasn't born into success. Before he created Mickey Mouse or built Disneyland, he faced rejection after rejection. As a young man, he worked for a newspaper, but he was fired because his boss believed he lacked imagination and had no good ideas. Many people would have given up after hearing those words. Walt Disney. He started a small animation company, but it went bankrupt. He lost almost everything. Even worse, he lost the rights to one of his first successful cartoon characters. Instead of quitting, he turned his biggest setback into his greatest opportunity. While traveling on a train, Walt imagined a cheerful little mouse. That simple idea became Mickey Mouse, a character that would change entertainment forever. But success didn't come overnight. Walt had to keep improving, keep creating and keep believing in his vision even when others doubted him. Years later, he dreamed of building a magical place where families could enjoy unforgettable moments together. Many investors thought the idea was impossible, but Walt never stopped believing. That dream became Disneyland, inspiring millions of people from around the world. Today, Walt Disney's name is known across the globe. His story reminds us that rejection is not the end. Failure is not a sign to stop, it's a chance to begin again with more wisdom and determination. Remember this: if someone says your dream is impossible, don't let their opinion become your future. Believe in yourself, work every day, and one day your imagination could change the world just like Walt Disney did.